Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I got this vehicle, 2019 Hyundai KONA and AC Fuse blue. I had a few people tell me that why would the fuses keep blowing. So this customer bought this vehicle, he just got it, no plates on it yet, and I guess over time the fuses, what happens with the fuses is if you're constantly using your AC system, the fuse will blow once it heats up, and sometimes they'll melt around the area. But anyways, this vehicle I noticed a blown fuse, but let me show you a little bit. I have this tweezer here. Let me put that back. I'm gonna show you what that is. Let me put this cover back. So right here is where your fuse box is, right here. And before you replace your AC compressor, the $800 AC compressor, and this is a new Freon on 1234, so this is something that you cannot service so easily. Some of the mechanics don't even have machines, so there's the Freon layer. And what you're gonna do is you always want to check your fuses before anything. You don't want to jump the gun. Sometimes it could be simply a bad fuse, so you push on this tab, and you should be able to. This is a tough little box. It gave me a little hard time to get it open, but it will come open. And what you need to do is I have a few fuses over here because I was doing something monkeyish. But anyways, I located your AC fuse. I located the AC fuse right there, the 10 amp. All right above that you have a 15 amp fuse. So 10 amp and a 15 amp. So what you're gonna do is you can do a few things. You can turn the key and check your fuse. But before I turn the key, let me show you how to change the fuse. So this tweezer here, all you do, you squeeze on this and you pull out this tweezer. So this is the fuse we're looking at right here, this red one right here. So you take this, you grab onto it, you squeeze it, and you pull out the fuse. That's how, these are weird looking miniature fuse with the long legs. And what you do is, once you have the fuse out, just like that, you take a new fuse, it doesn't matter this direction or that direction, and you push. Make sure you get it. This is 10 means a 10 amp. Okay, do not put a 15, 20, 30, 40 amp. 10 amp has to be 10 amp. Usually they rated, and color is red. And you push down on this fuse. Very simple. All right. Also, I'm going to show you how to test it and what you should be looking for when you're testing this fuse. But I do have my test light over here. What you need to do is you can do a few things. Start the car or just turn the key. Once you turn the key, you want to check power into that fuse. That's where you're going to need your test light. All you do is you put this on the negative, and you see how my test light illuminated? This light is just too bright. My light, pretty much the shop light. So wrong fuse. You see that? The light illuminated. So if I check on one side and then on the other side of this contact here, my light should illuminate here and illuminate there. So if my light only illuminated on one side like that and not on the other side, that means the fuse is blown. It could be that it illuminates on this side but not on the opposite side. So that just means the fuse is blown. Okay, replace the fuse. And if the fuse blows right away, you have a short circuit. Then you need to figure out, it could be a bad compressor, it could be anything. But that's how you're gonna test the fuse on this Hyundai. Yeah, and the fuse is pretty much 10 amp fuse right there, and it says AC right there. That's the fuse we're looking at. And thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Very important that you take this box and close it up. Otherwise, your rainwater, it will damage everything in here. You see there's leaves in there. Water does come down this way, so be careful. Lock it down. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.